I've had some coffee moments with Kong Barzaga before when I was in Congress. And he seems to be a nice fellow. Kaya medyo likable ang daddy niya.
He is very likable.
Oh,
Likable daddy niya. Likable din naman si Kong Kiko. Pero iba ang pagiging likable sa pagiging competent.
Oh!
At sa pagiging public official. No, kasi we pay them 300,000 a month.
Yeah, that's right.
From your taxes, from my taxes. Anong output niya as a congressman?
Wala pa.
I mean, as a
Wala pa
legislator,
ba?
ha?
Oo.
Kasi yan yung trabaho eh.
That's right, oo.
Ilan bang proposed bills niya? 2 or 3? Or less than 10? When others have more than 100? Does he know how to legislate, which is to defend your bill sa plenary? We haven't seen that in action. Ang nakikita natin social media. But we can have many people like Kiko Barzaga outside of social media or outside of Congress who can speak like him. But he's a congressman. So yun ba yung function niya? Is that what we pay him for?
Is he even, some people are even questioning his functions. I mean, the way he functions, the way his mind functions. Di ba? What do you
Actually,
think?
he's a borderline genius. Kaso syempre, low EQ. Diba? Medyo mababa ang kanyang social cues. But
dalawa naman yan, the IQ and the EQ.
IQ and EQ. But he will say, ganun talaga ugali niya. That's good. But maybe it doesn't fit in Congress. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin, trapo lahat sa Congress. Yes, buwaya lahat sa Congress. Yes, wag natin silang tularan. Pero for him to say hindi siya katulad ng iba, and that is good and that is what makes him different, does not justify yung iba niyang antics. And does not justify na hindi siya nagpe-perform as a legislator.
Tama naman yun. I think that's a very good observation. No? Medyo maingay nga siya sa social media, and yet pagdating dun sa actual work, the function of a congressman, medyo where he should be more useful, di ba?
Proposing reforms.
Yes, proposing.
Because ang daming critics ng administration, ang daming anti-Marcos, ang daming anti-Duterte, but they propose serious reforms, which is anti-political dynasty. Magagawa ba ni Kiko Barzaga yun? I mean, has he proposed it? Merong freedom of information, anti-bank secrecy for public officials, may ganun ba siyang proposal? Other critics na congressman din like him have criticized the administration, but they do the work. He hasn't done the work.
Well, he's actually proposing drastic ways and means and measures to go to the streets na lang and have a change of government. Yun ang proposal niya eh, di ba?
Activists can do that. Non-congressmen can propose to rally, to revolt, to change the government. But is that what we pay him for? Di dapat hindi siya tumakbong congressman. Dapat mag-resign na lang siya right now and do what he does. He can do what he does. Not as a congressman. As Kiko Barzaga, sure. Yeah. Sikat naman siya eh. Mag-resign na siya. Para matipid natin yung 300,000 plus a month. And the people of Dasmariñas deserve a better representative.
Wow. Wow. That's coming from you, huh?
Who can work? Who can deliver the work? Which is legislative work. Ano ba ginagawa niya for Dasmariñas? Baka sabihin niya, namimigay ako, nagpapakapon ako ng cats and dogs. I mean, that's patronage. That's patronage. That's not the job of a congressman. Legislation. Where is the legislation?
Pero tama, I agree with you on that, no? On that note.